Why do most massage chairs feel like they're trying to beat the stress out of you, but this one feels like your body's finally exhaling from the inside out? Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Justinlin from Rehab. As a physical therapist and massage chair influencer, I've tested a wide range of zero gravity chairs from budget models to high-end units. And while Lifevibe sent this chair to the clinic, my professional duty is to give you my honest, unfiltered clinician's opinion. Today, we're talking about the Lifevibe Bat Chair Prime. If you found my review helpful today, stay tuned for a special promotion and discount information at the end. This is not your standard harder, deeper, stronger massage chair. It belongs to a distinct category called the vibroacoustic therapy, or VAT, which turns low-frequency sound into full-body vibration. Before we get into the tech, I have to mention that the setup is incredibly intuitive. Phew! It arrived in the simplest packaging of any chair we've reviewed, which is a relief when you're ready to start a session immediately. Most massage chairs act like a jackhammer on concrete, pushing harder and digging deeper until your body actually tightens up to protect itself. Lifevibe changes the narrative by combining two proprietary systems. First, there's the sonic wave massage mechanism, which is the physical engine designed to create deep, uniform resonance rather than that forceful pressure. Then there's the sonic sync technology, the brain or algorithm that translates specific sounds and rhythms into the physical vibration. Together, they invite your body to settle from the inside out, which is much easier for your nervous system to accept. Now, while the BAT technology is the star, the chair is also a complete, well-designed experience. It features an SL track that follows your spine's natural curve and zero-gravity reclining to take the pressure off your joints. They even included thoughtful details like a reading lamp, wireless charging, and a phone holder to make your recovery time more functional. And for those days when you just want a traditional feel, it does include a classic 3D massage mode, so you still have the option for a standard mechanical massage without the vibration. Let's talk about the specific VAT modes. Dhyani mode is a low-frequency calm that helps your breathing slow down. It's my go-to for quiet rest after a long day in the clinic. Focus mode uses a sharper resonance for instant clarity without the coffee jitters. Then there is music mode. You connect your own music and the chair translates the rhythm into physical waves. It's not a gimmick. The high-fidelity translation makes you feel like you're sitting inside your very own music track. Visually, you can actually see the resonance moving through the chair's surface, which is a pretty incredible thing to witness. The chair is perfect for people who feel wired but tired or carry stress in their jaw and chest. It doesn't fight your body, it meets it. Lifevibe is trying to be the chair that helps you resonate rather than resist. If you want to learn more about the Lifevibe Bat Chair Prime, I'll leave the link below with a distinct Amazon code which provides a bigger discount than what is listed on Amazon. If you enjoyed this review, drop a comment below with your thoughts, hit that like button, and subscribe for more real-world insights from a professional's perspective. I'm Dr. Justinlin, and remember, we heal smarter, not harder. I'll see you next time.